Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an animated handwriting or a signature effect the kind that usually takes hours to make in After Effects. But this time, it's super easy, completely free, and all done inside Spring Video Editor. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open the Springs app like this. After that, just tap on Create New and import your video, but in this tutorial I'm just using a plain black background from the image asset like this. And then next, just set your video ratio. Just tap on video ratio at the top of screen like this, and then in here I will just choose 16:9 landscape video like this. And then now just go to handwriting feature on the toolbar, bottom toolbar, this one, just tap on it. And then in here you can select your brush style or type, and then you can adjust the color and adjust the brush size to match your designs. In here I will just choose for example like this. Maybe my handwriting isn't perfect, but that's fine. And once you're done drawing, just tap on animations, this one, and then go to in. And then in here just choose draw by stroke for a natural writing feel like this, or just choose draw in order if you want it to follow your exact span movement like this. And then for this tutorial I will use draw in order because it looks more realistic. And then next just preview it and play around with the animation speed until it feels right. For example like this. And then once you're happy, it's time to take it step further. Just export this video. Like this, we will export this handwriting clip so we can use it as an overlay on another video. After exporting, just go back to your projects and remove the old clips like this, and then add your main video. For example like this, and then just import your handwriting clip as an overlay like this. Now just tap on the overlay clips and then go to blending, and then just use multiply like this. Adjust the size. These blending modes will make the handwriting appear naturally on top of your video, just like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. You have just created a beautiful animated handwriting effect. It's no After Effects, no complicated setup, and totally free using Spring Video Editor. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.